Hey guys, this is Bernard C here and welcome to the MarketSolvers. On the last few parts of the video, we have created a simple funnel, integrated with a Stripe payment gateway, and add an email autoresponder to the funnel for our opt-in page. So in this part of the InstaFunnels tutorial, which is part 4, I'll be introducing a one-click upsell into the current funnel. So what do you mean by upsell? So imagine this case. When the user has done making a purchase on the sales page right here, you can choose to either redirect them to a thank you page which ends the user's interaction with your funnel, or you can lead them to another one-time offer, which is basically your upsell or even downsell. So in this case, I'll be showing you the upsell in your funnel. So why are we making this upsell? So imagine this. You spend quite a lot of time to develop a very good sales page that convinces the user to make a purchase. So instead of just letting them stop there, why not just introduce another offer which helps them to solve their follow-up problems the moment they make a purchase inside your funnel. So from there, not only you can earn money from the sales page alone with your product over there, you can also earn additional income from the one-time offer, which is your upsell. So this also solves the problem for the customer. In case the moment they get your product and they are unsure how to get started, your upsell will be the one that can help them to get started even faster, or can solve the problems that they may face the moment they get your product or your services, right? Okay, without further ado, let's begin with the process on creating the upsell page. So before we dive into the adding a new step or edit the page, so first of all, we need to go to the product section. So why are we going here? This will be required for us to develop the upsell product. So once you click the product section here, you will see this part, products 0. Of course, the funnel does not have anything yet. Just click the plus button, add product. So once you click the add product, you will see this page to create your upsell product. So for your upsell product can be either a bump product, or the upsell one-time offer. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the one-time offer first. So first of all, we want to have it as a one-time offer, right? So you have to click this setting, change it to one-time. And for product name, I'll just put something like, okay, upsell digital product, right? Then product price, we just select a currency. In this case, maybe I just go for Malaysian ringgit, MYR. Okay, for YR, then maybe you put something like, well, 25 ringgit. And price display override, I think we can leave this empty since I don't think we will need this. Okay, product description, just another awesome product. Alright, just that. So this will be needed for the receipt the customer is about to receive. And let me double check everything. Alright, I think that's all we have. Now save. So now you have this upsell digital product, one-time purchase, and 25 ringgit as the price. Okay, so now we have to add a new step. So now the new step, I'll put this as an upsell page. Alright, then go for create funnel step. Okay, once we create the funnel step, all I need to do, I just drag, make sure the order is like, it's ascending order, normal. Alright, cool. So now we have the upsell page. So I'll go in and add some random stuff on the upsell page first. Let's click the edit page. Give it a while to load while we create the upsell page. Okay, so now we just create something random, full section, one column, and the headline. This is an upsell product page. Okay, just something like this, then another section, full width, column, and in this case we just add a random video. The video of will be what, 3/4 of it. Then we just add a new row and just a simple button. Okay, Okay, button, maybe I just go for this. Yes, I want this product. Click here to buy now. Okay, we have this done, and of course we'll just add another alright, subheadline. No, I don't want this. Thank you. Right, once we have that, just make the text smaller. Okay, somewhere about 12 should do. The reason we keep it small is because we want to encourage the buyer to make the purchase instead of just clicking no straight away. So just add more, just forget the margin. Okay, right, we have this. Alright, then yes, we just, the button, we just make maybe a rocking effect. So it just shakes like this. Encourage the user to click it. Alright, so now we go to this part and make a link. Let me see what I can do with this. Right. Highlight, then add a link. Oh yeah, I need a link for the thank you page. Okay, I'll come back to this later. Okay, we just save. Let me get the page for the, let me get the link for the thank you page. Okay, let's give it one save. Alright, saving done. Let's go back. Page loaded successfully. Okay, now I have the thank you page. Right, just click here. I just want to get the link. And then we go back to the upsell page. Edit. Okay, so this is the link for thank you purchase. Right, just click here, highlight the whole text, add a link. Alright, so now this is the link. We'll go directly to the thank you page right here. So now this is a button. All I need to do, scroll down to the bottom, link to. Then you have to change this. One click up, upsell, up, downsell product. Then the product will be the, go to the next step. Let me see. Oh, alright, I think I create this in the wrong page. Okay, let me save this first. I will need to create the product in this upsell page. I made a small mistake here. Let's go back. Okay, so the upsell product I should create on the upsell page, not the previous sales page. The sales page is for the sales product right there. So I need to do some renaming to make this correct. Okay, give it a while to load. Right, almost there, done. Okay, go back to sales page. So this product is actually not the upsell product. We have to go and change this to first digital product, just to let this make sense. Right, first digital product and upsell product. From here we have to add another product for the upsell. So now this is the upsell digital product, and we have, change this to one time, the product price, let's say put 50, and we have it in Malaysian ringgit. This is the upsell product. Then I click save. Then the sales page, go back again. I just need to edit, make sure the description is correct. Just an awesome product. Okay, correct. An awesome product. Okay, upsell. Now we go back to edit the page to add the upsell product into that button. Now give it a while to load. And now we just go back, click this button. Okay, one click upsell, downsell product. And now you see this, upsell digital product. And go to next step. Alright. So that's all for the upsell page. And now we have to go to the sales page and link that sales page to the one-time offer page. Alright, let's click save this. Let's go. Okay, now I'll go to the sales page and click edit. Okay, so now I have this go on. So Last time we stopped around here where this is the customize button that bring us to the Stripe own hosted payment gateway. So now I will change this, I will delete this, add an element. We'll be using this, the order element, two-step order page. So we have shipping, we actually have two steps right here, shipping and this is the credit card info. So now let's see, we can just go to advanced. Okay, we just hide company name just to make things easy. Toggle phone number, maybe you don't need phone number. Just an example, right? Don't need to follow exactly what I do. You can just customize this according to your product and service, right? Okay, shipping. Okay, this digital product, maybe no shipping. And we can change this headline to just something random. Fill in your details here. Step 1. Fill in the details here. We need this so we can send you the stuff. Now full name, email address. Maybe we can say your best name, email address. Alright, sub-button text. You are just one more step away. Respect your privacy and information. Alright. New contact on every purchase. Validate disposable email. I don't think we need that since you're just testing for fun. Okay, so now we have this. Right, then step 2. Let's go. Okay, step 2. This is the things that we are actually need to edit. Now we go for, let's see, have your info. Your credit card info. Step 2, some final details left. Fill this up and you are done. Okay, get the contact information. Select item tags. Okay, dynamic item with a price. Item. Moving on. Save secure payment. Okay. Now we are done with that. Let's see what else I miss out. Some other detail steps like item, the contact info. Alright, I think we have this. Okay, we're saving this up. Alright. Okay, we save. Okay, let me just preview to see whether the product's right or not. Okay, preview. Just to see. Okay, still. Got it. First digital product and $35. Okay, cool. We got it correct. Okay, we have the thank you page here. Go to the next step. Okay. Thank you page on it. Sales page on it. We're doing the right thing. Products linked. Okay, let's just move back. Now we have to do a full test just to make sure that things are going right. Open page, I think we don't test that. We just test the sales page, upsell page, and finally the thank you page, right? So that's how the whole flow will work. So let's say after the user has opt in opt in their page by entering the email address to get your free offer. They'll come to the sales page, right? So let's start the test. From sales page, it's supposed to go to the upsell and go to the thank you page, right? So from here, same thing. Okay, your best name, just random text, gmail.com. Go to step 2. Payment information, card number. Yes, I need to get the card number. Give me a while for me to get the card number, right? Okay, so I've gotten the card number. So I'm back to the sales page again. Let me type the same thing. Okay, we'll just have this. Go to step. Okay, first digital product, card number. So this is the Stripe test mode. So this is the test card. And maybe somewhere in March 25, and maybe one random CBV number, and we just complete the order. Okay, so once we complete the order, we should move to the next page, the upsell. Okay, so this is the upsell product page. So just click, okay, yes, I want this product. Go click here. And yes, we're going to the thank you page. So now let's go back to the InstaFunnels just to see the results. Okay, let me move back to the dashboard and go to the funnels, and we go for this, edit, and we check the sales part. Okay, so you see this is the purchase that we have made. So we actually made the purchase right here. This is the transaction ID, all the test numbers here. Yeah, this was the previous test that I've made just now, just to make sure that things are going well before I record this video. So that's why we have this right here. So this is the most recent information I've entered. So it proves that the upsell actually works right here. So now we check the stats. Yeah, I can see first digital product, someone bought it, they have 2 sales, okay, good, right, everything's fine. Okay, so for upsell page, right, when the user clicks no, it's the same thing. They will just go to the thank you page, but in the transaction, it will not be considered as a purchase for the upsell. So the results shown will be just this, the first digital product, and that's all. You won't have the upsell digital product. Alright, so that's all that I have to show you for the one-time click upsell product in InstaFunnels. So if you're watching this from YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom right corner of the screen to stay tuned on more updates as I publish videos along the way to teach you how to build funnels using InstaFunnels, and also even NetFlow. I'm also sharing another tutorial series about that. And if you're watching this from Facebook, please don't forget to like and share to whoever needs help in digital marketing, right? This is Bernard C once again, signing off. Take care, have a good day, and stay safe.